Bruno's popular Outsider transports your scooter or power chair easily and safely behind almost any type of vehicle while maintaining your seating and cargo space. Operating a Bruno Outsider is easy. Press a button and the self-leveling platform gently lowers to the ground. Drive your mobility device onto the platform, and when the wheels drop into place, you're ready to raise the lift. The Outsider features a securement system specialized to your mobility device. A securement foot automatically locks your scooter in place as the platform is lifted. If you have a power chair, a swing arm locks in front of the chair to secure it in place. Retractable securement belts are also available for added peace of mind. Once the platform is fully retracted, Bruno's exclusive safety system makes it impossible for the platform to lower unintentionally. Remove the key and you can be sure your scooter or power chair is securely in place. The Bruno Outsider's low-profile design allows visibility behind you as you travel. When your Outsider is not in use, the platform automatically folds to take up minimum space. Add the swing-away option to quickly and smoothly rotate the Outsider for easy rear access to your vehicle. If you change mobility devices in the future, the Outsider is adaptable to fit your new needs, and it can be transferred to another applicable vehicle. Bruno's hitch-mounted Outsider is made in America and features a 350-pound lift capacity. Learn more from your local authorized Bruno dealer.